In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get invoices for your Spotify premium subscription. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Type in spotify.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now, log into your account linked to your Spotify premium subscription. Once you are signed in, scroll down to your plan or subscription section and look for order history or receipts. Here you will find a list of all your past payments, including monthly premium charges. Click on any transaction to open the invoice details, where you can view the date, amount, and payment method. If you need a formal invoice or receipt, select the option to download or print the invoice as PDF. This is useful for tax purposes, reimbursement, or business records. If you subscribe through Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you'll need to check your purchase history in your Apple ID or Google account instead, since billing is handled through those platforms. If you still cannot find your invoices, you can contact Spotify support and provide your account details so they can help retrieve your payment history. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.